Hi, today I'll show you how to add fingerprint on Motorola Moto G5S. Let's unlock our phone, then let's go to settings, then security, fingerprint, next, confirm our pattern, next, get ready, and we need just put our finger right there. Fingerprint added. Amazing. Let's just press next, then got it. Let's press on fingerprint. So, what can we do with fingerprint now? Actually, nothing. We can just rename our fingerprint. Let's, I don't know, big finger. And OK. And we can also delete our finger. We just need to press right there and delete. Yes, remove. That's actually all. Thanks for watching. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.